don't know, this is Keiva dancing Diva, straight from Kingston, Jamaica. But up on the beach side or the seaside, I keep it jiggy. It's all about dancing, crazy dancing. Alright, so dancing now, it's something good. Make an exercise, keep it in shape, crazy things. Back in the days, they don't know, we don't know where to reach so far. Because me, just used to dance, never know some money in it or nothing, I just love it. Until the Father God just say, here, Keiva, you're trying to make some money. First of all, big up Father God, He make it possible. Big up Elephant Man Energy God. Okay, you don't know him come say, He will take them to a dancing school and crazy more DJ and crazy video. Anyway, I'm going to tell you a little about myself. You want to know my age? Can't tell you that. Alright, here now. I've been dancing from age 8. Featured in 40 music videos locally. I know I soon do some international if live sphere. My favorite dancers, Lord, me have so much. But big up Bogle man, the real man. Dancing girl worldwide, it's all about dancing. The whole world of dance. All the bad man them start dance. So you know, crazy dancing and take over the place. Dancing, it not gonna stop for no. Cause if you notice, all of the hip hop star them, Usher, Janet Jackson, everybody have them dancer. And the same thing Jamaica go on with. We make all dance around here. Big up over so, hip hop them mad to, but we're the real dancer around here.
Well, I want to tell you, if you want to go basics right now, a real basics me go. And from ring ding to where it's at, to international stardom. So said, so don't turn down them volume. So what am I saying? What are they saying now? Where me and the dancehall thing is concerned right now. Most people didn't even know it was going so far either. Enough people they take it for joke. Believe me. Cause remember when me just started dancing, they used to say me a go-go. And me at this, and me at that, and me at drunk, and me at this, and me at that. And me say, and then what them think, how it go. You see me? Because you can't judge a book by its cover, you got to read inside and you always discover. So what them I say then? Them never that say nothing from then, not even now. And we are say everything right now, because we are dancing is concerned right now, if you notice. Dancing put everything back on a level right now, where it's supposed to be and where it did go. And enough people never did know that. You see me? Check it. Right now the whole of America, the whole of America, the whole of Europe, the whole of them places, North America, South America, the whole of them places, right now. It's all about dancing and all of the dancing where you see them do America right now. Oh, I think them get it from. And we are all the trendsetters. You see me? Then again, where dancing thing is concerned, and me now, everybody don't know I'm Mr. Wacky this in a Bogle, you know. We create all dances. And where dancing is concerned are the authentic ones. You understand me? Because enough people can dance, yes. Everybody can dance, but not everybody a dancer. You see me? And that's the whole notion about it. You know. Most people don't even know that. You see me? But enough people, I thank them for that and respect them for that because they love dancing. And dancing is a form of J-O-Y, joy. And if we never like joy, we wouldn't be dancing. If we never love dancing, we wouldn't have no joy. And dancing bring all of the joy in a way. And if we have pain, all we have to do is dance it out.
Yeah, I stay straight in Jamaica. Don't spill it, got spill it out. It's all about Tough 2 Entertainment Report. And then make it possible. Anyway, you see the beautiful scene behind me right now. Tough 2 I do it same way. So what I say? Anyway, it's all about dancing. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Ice. The world know me as the real Mr. Freeze. Big up my idol, Mr. Bogle. Cause I say Bogle, John Hype, Boysie. Well, with John Hype now, John Hype like dancing. We will love dancing. When I spill we got to spell it. I'm a big up all of the dancers, them all over the world, cause Tough 2 Entertainment, I got get to it too. You understand? Anyway, first of all, you see me, from my youth I grew up, just call it from about 9, 10 I grew up. It's all about me, I dance. I just love dance, like where it's at, break dance, disco. If me there at school, me all dance as teacher tell me to turn my face to the backboard. Cabal of dance. Anyway, we're going to a different dimension now. We're dancing levels, dimension. Now it's about, we're in a 2004 and now. And we have many more to go. Like I say, we're going to big up Tough to Entertainment report card. Then make it possible right now. Then we're going to take this thing and carry it to a different dimension. It's what I call Elephant Man right now. Bounty Killer, Vibes Cartel, Wayne Marshall, the whole of them. If we don't make a dance right now, them not have a tune for do, That's why we are giving them it. And them are do it and now, make we are extend it now. So here what I say, you see my dancing? I have a dance named Scooby, Shankle Dip. Take it to them. I know my favorite weapon already, for my knee, but call it the Duracell. Some people are wondering for camera trick, but I'm not camera trick. But me say you like this, I have all kind of dance, because I have a dance named Cupid. Which, Bogle come with the jiggy, ready when you're ready. Summer bunks, back to basic. Them, they know me just put them in a one thing. And it's a different style. But here I know style a pile up on me right now. I have to just keep a one style. Like we say, we're going to big up all of the dancers, them Jermaine, Boysie, Sadiki. A whole heap of dancers, so many dancers. I'm going to big up Mr. Rose. Because right now I'm tour the world, I get every dancer from Japan, Europe, you name it, all Mexico, all Iceland. Tough to entertainment. They're the hardest, and them I do it now. Anyway, we're up on the beach right now, if you show certain style, that's when you can catch it. But enough people hear the music and them a see little dance, but them not get the real pick up off it. So we're going to do it slowly, that's you people all over the world can get to do it.
Big up straight, tough enough. Big up tough too, I don't know how to crew. We keep it jiggy on the beach, potent this one. Yeah, boys, this a big up everybody, don't know, Tough to Entertainment. Well, we are just take the dancing to a higher level right now because we said dance, but we are doing the dancing them. But end of the day, we still not see where to go. But we are going to take it to a higher level right now, see them way, still, see me. So big up all the dancers, them we dance out there. But we not see where to go. But end of the day, just try to put in the mind to where I go. The boys this and me I dance from about 4 years now since me I dance still. See, and we never take it serious until now. We take it serious because we done say summer bunks and we are walking the bunks and we are bring the dancing thing to a higher level right now, see them still and everything, you see me? So just a big up Tough to see them again because they make everything possible. So we also go and keep it jiggy and teach the people some of the latest move them in a dance hall and show them what dancing is all about. Everybody said I'm a dancer, but everybody can dance. So I just teach them and see them who can dance and know how it is. So I just walk with the bunks, see them here. At the end of the day, I'm still a big up Tough to see them here because they make everything possible. Tough to Entertainment. And this video here, go crazy. And big up all Toronto, Canada people, them see them here. See? Summer bunks, walk. Big. Big up, Tough to Entertainment. It's a Bogle, you're the man, and you make everything possible. Ice, Keiva, Craigie Dread, Ding Dong. It's all good, jiggy youngs. We just keep it jiggy, around the beach, we do everything on the beach. Cause we dance anyway, We dance all in the sunlight, rain, whatever. We don't have to plug in for dance, We just dance and feel like, So that's big up Tough to Entertainment, straight, Basla. We there, keep it locked and keep it jiggy. Ready. And the best of them over there some way over yourself. Allah. So what them I say. Keeping it jiggy, Tough to Entertainment. Boom, I'm out.
Big promotion.
Keep it jiggy.
Tough to Entertainment.
I make it all possible.
I make it all possible. Straight.
Ready. Long time. We don't know all the median. Ready. Oh, well. And then give them the famous. Ready. And then ready. Long time roses are ready. Then 360 now. Bogle show them the 360 now. 360 now. 360 now. Well, are the best of them. Ice, take them up. Take them up. What a boy can dance on him back. Take them up. Take them up. Oh, you want to look? That's my yeah, man. See them now. Take them on. Watch it out, stop. Watch it out, stop. Start it now. Aya clap. Aya clap. Aya clap. Why aya clap? Aya clap. Aya clap. Let me know. Definitely. Tambourine. 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 Stop. Are your problem that? Shaker. Shaker. Everybody shaker. 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 Oh, definitely. Jurian, for your playing a plane. Jurian, stop. Are your problem that? Adrian, from you know you go England and Spain. Adrian, stop. Your problem that? Sunlight. From you know you know bad mind. Sunlight, stop. Are your problem that? Flows of blue. You're not dead, I'm going on the two. Flows of blue. Stop. Are your problem that? Scooby-Doo. From you know you know I can't against you. Scooby-Doo. Stop. Are your problem that? Exit. Everybody point to the exit. Stop. Definitely. No. Climb the ladder. From you know you're not a chichi man, brother. Climb the ladder. Stop. Are your problem that? Turn up. Don't want you turn up. Stop. Your problem that? See the tell the man boys. Tell the man famous here. See you know? Butter dance. Everybody just do the butter dance. Stop. Are your problem that? Tupac. Everybody just do the show the cat. Stop. Are your problem that? Defense. Everybody defense. Stop. Are your problem that? Shankly. What she was is to do Shankly. Stop. Are your problem that then? Walk with it. Do the some of them. Stop. Are your problem that? Iverson to the Iverson. Stop. So the dancer youth in the high step. It's our high step. It's our high step. What are you can dance here? Walk it time. Walk it time. Watch your beat, man. Leave the light. Walk it time. Walk it time. Bogle, get yourself in the light. Walk it time. Walk it time. Watch your youth get yourself in the light. Walk it time. Walk it time. Oh, Melissa. 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 What a girl. You're a good dancer. Melissa. Long time you are linked with Keiva. Melissa. Long time you are with Keiva. Super. Hey you, take a piece of the puzzle. Super. Maxi, let's go for you on the idiot. Super. Now thank you a dancer in the club. The sunlight. The Keiva there. We said you to them nice and boys in it. What you doing them? What you doing them? From nobody else telling them they express. What you doing them? What you doing them? See it out, dance and what you doing them? Dancing. Everybody wanna do the dancing. Dancing. Everybody them wanna do the dancing. Dancing. What are you there do the dancing? Dancing.
Do this on my bones, 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 this on my bones, this on my bones, this on my bones. Alright now, walk with the bones, walk with the bones. Everybody see a walk with the bones, walk with the bones, walk with the bones. Everybody see a walk with the bones. Ready now, ready now, ready now. March out, everybody march out. 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 March out, march out, march out, march out, march out, march out. Alright, what's a blast? What's a blast? What's a blast? Everybody feel the big blast blast. What's a blast? What's a blast? Blast Blasi blast, blasi blast, blasi blast, blasi blast. Shanker it now, shanker it, shanker it, shanker it. Everybody fear the shanker it. Walk with it, walk with it. Everybody fear walk with it, walk with it, walk with it. Ready, 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 ready. Shelly belly now, shelly belly, shelly belly, shelly belly, shelly belly. Stop a shelly now, stop a shelly, stop a shelly, stop a shelly. Propeller, propeller, propeller. Over your head, over your head, over your head. Jump with it now, jump with it now. Over your head, over your head, over your head, over your head. Alright, sunlight, everybody sunlight, 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 sunlight. Alright now, defense, defense, everybody defense, 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 defense. Alright, Scooby-Doo, 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 Scooby-Doo. Walk with it, walk with it, walk with it. The Scooby-Doo, walk with it, Scooby-Doo, 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 Scooby-Doo. Alright, new style, new style, style and style and style can't survive. New style, new style. Watch Boysie about the new style. Diva da da, 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 diva da da. Walk with it, walk with it, walk with it, walk with it. Diva da da, diva da da, diva da da. Alright, ready again now. Inna your face, inna your face, inna your face, inna your face. Oscar, take them on.
Start it. Take them on. Take them on. You know, say you're a dancer for your man. Take them on. Take them on. Because you love how your life for one. Take them on. Take them on. You know, I go to prison like Tom Green. Take them on. Take them on. Who don't know how Bogle are going to do? Ding dong. Ding dong. Try you know, you know, free of a king dong. Ding dong. Ding dong. Because you know want to sing song. Ding dong. Ding dong. Watch Wacky do the ding dong. Ding dong. Ding dong. From you know, free of a king dong. New style. New style. You know what it calls we have with style. New style. New style. You know, say dancing. Just for your name. Walk with it. Watch you with them up. Walk with it. Walk with it. Walk with it. Watch boys here. Walk with it and then you. Shanker it. Shanker it. When you come from dancing district. Shanker it. Shanker it. From you know, you can dance with it. Shanker it. Shanker it. Watch my friend Isa. Shanker it. Shanker it. Shanker it. Definitely. And then you. Jack it up. Jack it up. You want to go in the field for catch it up. Jack it up. Jack it up. You want to go in the field for catch it up. Then you. Jack it up. Jack it up. Watch my friend Isa stop. Jack it up. Jack it up. Jack it up. From you know in the field for catch it up. And then you. Flowers are blue. Flowers are blue. You're not there. You're not going on the two. Flowers are blue. Flowers are blue. You know your house, you have your bathroom. Flowers are blue. Feel the best. From you know, you know you're distressed. Then you. Feel the best. Feel the best. From you know you feel the best. Feel the best. Feel the best. You know the best. You know stop interest. And then you. When you know you have on your clothes. A new thing named the famous pose. Watch the thing named the famous pose. A tough two. How we not let pose. You with the pose. You with the pose. Me the best and then you with the pose. You with the pose. You with the pose. Me the best and then you with the pose. Tough two. Big up road. Me the best. You with the pose. Tough two. Big up road. Me the best. You with the pose and then walk with the pose. Walk with the pose. A new thing named walk with the pose. Walk with the pose. Walk with the pose. A new thing named walk with the pose and then set away. Set away. You know you're straight, you're not done the A. Set away. Set away. From your skin, you know you're not straight. Set away. Set away. From you know about election here. Set away. Set away. And Mr. Jiggy that and then rock away. Rock away. Watch Mr. Wacky. I rock away. Rock away. Rock away. On the turn you sound out there. Rock away. Rock away. You know the dancing a little bit every day. Rock away. Rock away. It's a new brand thing this. And then lean back. Lean back. Watch the big man no stop lean back. Lean back. Lean on. Try you know you don't feel about King Kong and then lean on. Lean on. Mix the lean on with the ding dong. Lean on. Lean on. You know get like King Kong and then anchor. Anchor.
fight, chop up in farmer city. That a land right no middle down city. You like farmer boy, make him get city. Pull him up on that private to him with city. Tomorrow morning, no for them better pray city. Ready for them the boy, they be like city. One man around with him farmer, none at all. Bad man put the AK over the wall. Wrong man name the party, hold them no call. Bad man put the AK over the wall. No boy could have never live your mother, none at all. Bad man put the AK over the wall. It was simple and think we gun small. Bad man put the AK over the wall.
Famous boss. And
Hi, this is Keiva Dancing Diva. We're here at Weddy Wednesdays, you know, every Wednesday. And we're talking about dancing. It's all about dancing. Tonight, right beside me, I don't know, this is Albino. Is it so? Is correct?
Yes, Albino.
This is Albino. New sensation. I'm going to hard. Wicked video. So I'm going to ask him some questions. What him think? You don't know, man, in there chill. I keep it jiggy.
Jiggy.
Albino, we're there to talk about dancing. Want to know how you feel about dancing. Jamaica, worldwide, what you feel about it?
Well, dancing right now, you know, it gone up on a higher level since Ellie and the man them just take it, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? The whole of dancer them, Bogle and the whole of the man them just take it to a level and just explode it from the market, you know what I mean? So everybody have to see the culture and just love it for what it is and just appreciate it because that's just energy, like him say, energy.
Okay, what do you think about the videos?
The videos?
The dance videos?
The dance videos are very, very extremely, they're good. I love them. I love the vibe of the dance video them I bring off because them I show the youth them, so you know what I mean, and forget more into the rhythm and, you know what I mean, give the people what them want, the realness. That's what I say.
So you're planning for doing a dance video and a dance song in the future?
Oh, most definitely, most definitely. You know what I mean, I want to tell us, you know what I mean, it's in my head right now, I think about it and when me I gonna really put on the people and give them right now because dancing around the cut right now, so, you know what I mean, and anything you can give them, you have to give them something nice and spicy, so, you know what I mean, so. That is definitely in the works, you know what I mean? Enough work we have on the table right now, and I try to get the album done and cut and go through, and I get geared for Sunfest.
Okay. All right. In case you're worried about who I'm talking to, I'll be in the touch them piece of the song when I tell them about it's mad.
Yeah, well now, it's Albino. You want to know my name? Albino, my name, and me not play no game. Is it that them love me or them just love my fame? Albino, my name, and me not play no game. Is it that them love me or them just love my name? Albino, the Vino, the girls them Vino. The girls them love Albino like them love fine wine. Albino, the Vino, the girls them Vino. The girls them love Albino like them love fine. What's my name? Everybody wanna find out. Albino, new thing on the block.
Pull up, mad. See it? It's all about giving the new talents them a chance. You don't know? Crazy things. So Albino, I just that we are talking about.
Yes,
Thanks a lot for talking to me. You don't know, keep it jiggy and go and support the dancing in Jamaica. Out. Welcome back. You don't know, this is Keiva Dancing Diva again. And we're there with the real man, the ever vice, Mr. English. You keep it jiggy. Say something, Mr. English.
You know we bounce them like a ball the other day, rise, they fall. Splash.
All right. You don't know, I deal with Jamaican artists them. Because Jamaica will come from, we have the real dance on here, so we have to ask them, you know, look a question, because you know, rate them and thing, and then we have to back. English, what do you think about the dancing worldwide and Jamaica?
Well, it's a dancing take over, you know. Simple as it look, it's the levels. Dancing girl worldwide, you say internationally, as we said before, and you know. Dancing and reggae music combine together and just go through the gate like that. So we just say, you see the man them who create the dance in Jamaica, we give them A+. You see the levels, the man them spend time and find the dance them. We come rock the world and shot the world like what Keiva do too. You see the levels so we say number one, we get the dancing right now, because dancing put elephant on top.
Straight. Alright, we are talking about the videos them, the dancing videos.
Well, it's at different levels. The video them dropping again, and now we see the dance them in the video make the video look more experimentous.
See it? Alright, English, when you do a little tiny piece on in case you're worrying, right, make English is something for you, okay? That's something.
Party people in the house, are you ready for this? Girl, shake your booty if you're ready for this. Just move that booty if you're ready for this. Boom, bam, bam.
Second. English, thanks a lot, you don't know. Star me a party now, Keiva the Diva. English, mad. You mad real mad. Alright, English, thanks a lot, you don't know. Shortcut. Welcome back, you don't know, this is Keiva the Dancing Diva. See, with your way the way that I keep it jiggy. If you want to find the star them, come away the way, they're crazy star there. But there with Alley Cat, you look like him a Ross and team. I don't know, I try to find out, because be a culture sang about from what here. What's up, Alley Cat?
Yeah, man, Emperor Selassie, Joe. Rastafari, them for no say the imperial and the poor people material, giving them the right cereal. Check it out.
Okay, we're talking about dancing today. What do you think about dancing? Jamaica worldwide.
Yeah, man, them for no say the Jamaican dancing gone worldwide, and we love the style them where the man them a come with Bogle and the whole of the dancer them a come with some wicked new style. The other day I look taking Elephant bus to the new dance them with Janet Jackson. Trust me. It look exclusive, it look professional, it look big time. So dance all gone, the dancing, gone.
What do you think about the videos?
Video them hot. I love the video them.
Your favorite dancer or all of the dancers them are your
Yo,
dancer?
you are my favorite dancer. Keiva my favorite dancer, remember?
Whatever. Should be there, so no, you said that, whatever.
No, I love how you dance, I love how you jig it.
Thank you. In case you're wondering, I can't get them a small piece, but them know what a real man, real cat.
Well, this is all the cat and fresh, I'm off of the block. And when me hold the microphone, the people react. Yes, me full of no potential, me I know dead stock. Well then, I'm gonna take you to the top. So me tell them it's on, Babylon you're in a trouble. Me tell them it's on, defend the poor man's struggle. Me tell them it's on, revolution a bubble. Me tell them it's on, yeah me tell them it's on.
Me want hear my son, give me two of the house of them from way back when me I go school.
Alright, show like this. A gal a say she yatta, but I better she simmer. How you the man prefer and everything is better. From you want us get hell, him and no man tell. When everything is bombshell, so me go so ain't no gal can make you flap. Never fight over man say, oh yeah. Yeah man, you don't know.
Alright, Alec, thanks a lot. You don't know, you see it? Crazy star me apart, it's not my fault. We are keep it jiggy. You don't know. Thanks. Have a nice night, yeah?
Bless you.
Alright. Full stop, see it? Alright, welcome back again. See it? Me and Ronnie that jiggy say, and it's my fault. Come on, where the Wednesdays, a crazy star there. We're there with Ronnie and we are keep it jiggy. Ronnie say something.
What did I say? You don't know. And where the Wednesday now, where I say you don't know. All road boy bring them queen and leave them machine, because you don't know. Nice, Miss Pandit.
Mad, Monster Shark represent. Alright, baby, Ronnie right about dancing today. We want to ask you, what you feel and what you think about the dancing Jamaica worldwide?
Well, you don't know. We love the dance of them. Bogle, don't know. Mad Michelle, you don't know. Keiva, she my baby. Love her endlessly, you don't know. Seeing Ding Dong. The whole of the youth, them, we love what I want, because we are saying the whole vibe just get nice, you see? So we are saying.
Alright.
Our love goes out.
What you think about the videos then?
The videos, I love it too. I love it because it's like, you know, the whole heap of creativity and the whole heap of Jamaican ladies, because you don't know Jamaican, we have the finest woman in the world, you don't know. Twice as nice, you know. More ice, more nice, you know. Make you make all some big sacrifice, like your art.
So, what you think, you don't feel like dancing is a part of entertainment?
Yeah, dancing go with the music.
So you don't feel like you don't feel like the artists them supposed to carry the dance, and the must, but you don't feel like it look nice if them carry them a dancer. You know, I could have point ask them.
Yeah, for real, because it all get to that point then, and that's why you don't have to just keep doing what you're doing, because it all get this, because it's like more than you see a man, I sell him song and him I sell the dance, because him still I say Keiva, a man I say Stacy, a man I say John, a man I say Bogle, so it all come to the day so a man have to really carry on up on the road. You know what I mean? I say physically, if you come show the people, them say, I Keiva this, I Stacy that, I John that, you know what I mean? I say, so. But I just hard work and perseverance are the key to success, you know what I mean?
See, I say, big up Elephant Man, because he make it possible. Elephant Man will love you. You're the first man to come to Keiva. Love you for that. You make it start the crazy playing and start playing, keep you bring back the dancing. So go on there, think Ellie will love you, done, and this is running. Manchester Shabba, keep it jiggy. Any last word?
But as I say, love goes out to the whole family, goes General B. You don't know, scare them same way. It's an elephant, the real big dog, big bull.
You can give me something around it, a little piece of something.
What we say? Pretty girl take 2 steps forward. Ugly girl take 20 steps backward. Pretty girl take 2 steps forward. You possess the glue, you're not awkward. Yo, walk out into the dance if you want to.
Shortcut. So around there, we can get piece of the long time song there, our song there.
Our
Weed
song there, right?
yeah.
Something like, yo, weed is life. Just face reality and smoke weed to the end of the world.
Mad. This is our Jamaican star. We love them, represent straight. Ronnie, thanks a lot. Mean a lot to us. Have a nice night here.
Realist, not fabricated.
We're to come back again and see it. Wait again. Crazy star day here. We're there with Ghost. And we ask him some question. They don't know. No much. There's some things about dancing. Ronnie, what's up? You alright? No, hear me, no, Ronnie. My mistake here, my bad. Ghost, you alright?
Yeah, mama nice, mama sweet.
All right. What does it ask you? What do you think about the dancers or dancing?
Well, dancing in Jamaica is a thing we are going from. We are little youth. I mean, from we are baby. It just takes to a different level right now, whereas, you know, the dancers and the DJ them, the dancers who are dancing the song and the DJ them will sing the song for the dancer, them dancing. Take it to a different level. And I love it. Because you know, just local again, it gone international. I love it, you know.
So from what I take in the Ghost, I mean, you see there's some nice dancing, you know. Or where you do practice or where you have it long time?
No, Keiva, I have a thing long time before you know. I dance long time. It does. Remember, when time I come in the business, you know, people know, you know, I dance like Michael Jackson, you know, a long time. Mad, you know, mad, you know. I just because, you see, Ray and Tay, but the greatest thing right now, reggae, I shot them and the dancing, I shot them. I just love Wagwan. All you Keiva, I give it to them.
Thanks. What do you think about the videos them, the dancing videos them?
That me I tell them, I tell the thing to a different level, and I just some video whereas someone stand up and I sing and you know say nothing go on and the video they on him for the whole 3 minutes. And it, you know I say you have some whole thing I go on right now and the people might take it on like one time where you have I mean no man to hold up them woman again and dance, but you know the people again now I stand up in a dance and I hold them and say everybody a dance. If they, you know if for them hear the music, them have to rap. You know what I say? I have some people who run past them too. And I run go to the flank, I go down the flank.
So you have a favorite dancer or all the dancers them are your dancer?
Everything. And I have enough favorite dance. And you can't hold up on one of them dancers nowadays because the way it change. It does change. Yeah. So you have to just work with the flow. Work with the flow.
So you know you're one of my favorite singers though. When I stress out I hear see him listen daily, you know that?
All praise to the Most High, yeah?
Okay. Alright, we're not pressure because we don't know. Thanks a lot. Big up Ghost. You want to say something in the last word?
Drugs free. Keep your head straight. Give praises to the Most High who make you wake up every day. You see it? Praise Him every day.
So give me a little piece of jig in my go on.
Body, lad,
no, Mama, when you show Mama, you forget.
No, we can't do it right now.
You say I'm Junal, I'm a big dancer, you know. Anyway, you see, crazy star me apart with Ghost and Keiva. That's not my fault. Ghost, I love you. It's our Jamaican star. We love a Jamaican star. We don't put nobody in front of them. Straight.
Keiva. She make it all possible. Wow.
Ghost, thanks here. Have a nice night. Welcome back. You don't know this is Keiva, Dancing Diva. Ready when you're ready. With the Wednesdays. Crazy star. Everyone walk a be a star. We're there with Mr. Lex. You see it. Mr. Lex, what's up?
Let's be a man hands are ready, you know.
You hear them every voice, yeah? The girls let me know. Them vice that week. Alright?
Yeah, man.
Alright, baby. We want to ask you some questions. What do you think about dancing?
Yeah, man, big up the dancing, them, 'cause I don't know. I've been dance dancing, because people them like so that, and I don't know, it's a major part of the performance. I mean, was a dancer myself. Ali still is, the same as him. So big up Bogle, because I don't know you're the man.
Mr. Jiggy. Mr. Jiggy. Pull up. You see it? Dancing gone. Crazy dance to the artist, them. Crazy dance to the I've been ready from a long time. What do you think about it?
No, I'm a bit lucky now, because you don't know, we're young, good looking, and famous.
Murder.
It's all about ready when you're ready, anywhere you're ready. Big up Ice. Because them youth have a thing named Shankatip, like the whole universe. Them man a dance long time. Ready when you're ready. Yes, sir.
See it again. One more star again. But there is Galaxy P. We are keeping chicken. Galaxy, what's up?
Today I'm going with our vibes. I'm ready Wednesday. You see it?
Alright, we're talking about dancing tonight. What do you think about dancing?
Well, right now, dancing, it's up on a whole new level. I'm not lie, dancing really bring back the dance hall together. You understand? They dance and enjoy themselves.
What do you think about the video then?
Well, the video them hot, and you know the dancer, them do them thing in the video them. And big respect to Keiva and them girls who make it possible, and Matt Michelle and dancer like Bogle and Ice and Janipe, you know the whole 100.
Alright, give them a piece of what the girl them want here. My song.
Eh?
Give them a piece of my song.
Alright then, Ribby Bong come, Ribby Bong sing. Galang Gala Pia come to mash it up again. Ribby Bong come, Ribby Bong sing. Galang Diva a resident. Alright then, nothing no wrong with it. Take a look. He can go to any time for it.
Pull up! Alright, Galaxy, thanks a lot. You don't know we're keeping jiggy. Any last word?
Keiva, you know, say enough respect. 2004.
Yeah, what? Everybody where you see us represent reggae music, dancer. If I'm a father Reddy Rose, Anthony Malvo. If I'm Anthony Malvo, you have Jack Raddick. If I'm Jack Raddick, the great King dead and gone, Dennis Brown with us. I love him. Yeah, man. I'm not going to talk with my Riggins no more. Yo, but just make you know, say, yo, I just reggae music and the whole I represent. If me and you cuss today, don't put my cussing and your cussing in front the talent that me and you have. And the future, when me have in front, when me figure lead out to and make happen. And through me and your cussing, me gonna make it not happen. No. Hear me, no man. A God over devil.
And clean up the act.
As I tell you, say, we're glad we have Edler like Father Rose Ronald, Wickerman, Barky, Arthur Wheel. Great producer. With the new studio, I want to make a know say right now, I just be a love creature to everybody. I want to make a know say I be a love
and here it's not Ellie, I just love we are deal with straight. You see like how we say Ellie and BT have done that. We just happy feel man just know say yo. When we say Ellie, it come like a we just strengthen that. Cause Elephant Man that and Janet Jackson, you know. Hey Janet Jackson, yeah hear me? We love you too, you know. We love how you deal with Ellie, you know. We love how you hold him jacket and pull him in. Yeah? Keep it up.